Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Durga Software Solutions, the best IT training institute in India. Sir, we are very happy to announce that recently we launched a Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel name is Durgasoft Updates. Our Telegram channel name is Durgasoft Updates. We are providing good service in this channel also. So if you not subscribe yet, please do it immediately, because if you subscribe, you will get most valuable updates, latest updated information in this Telegram service. So this Telegram service is very useful for your career. So we will update in this Telegram channel, or what are the updates you will get if you subscribe, like trending technologies, like free workshops by our experts, especially from our Durga sir, Nagur Babu sir, and some Durgasoft experts also. And free videos you will get, and free study materials, new batches information, that is offline training and as well as online training updates you will get, and jobs and career guidance information also you will get, and especially from motivational videos from our Durga sir, Nagur Babu sir, some other Durgasoft trainers also, you will get some motivational videos. If you see Durga sir, Nagur Babu sir, our trainers motivational video classes, you will get full clarity and you will get full confident how to settle in IT sector in top position. Some you will get motivational videos from Durga sir, Nagur Babu sir especially, and offline online related information also you will get. And if any placement drives is there in our Durgasoft, we will get updates regarding placement drives and jobs related information also you will get updates in our Telegram channel Durgasoft Updates. So if you subscribe, you will get some valuable information from our Durgasoft, and if you get most important updates from our Durgasoft itself. So this Telegram channel service is very useful for your bright career. So my sincere advice and my sincere request is that please subscribe our Telegram channel, and it will be some better useful for your better career from our Durgasoft and team. And not only this one, and in our Durgasoft we are providing offline online training. So everybody knows about our Durgasoft. It is one of the best IT training institute in India, because we have extraordinary and topmost seniors trainers and real-time experts and certified professionals we have. So if you want to get job in topmost position, and if you want to get job in top MNCs, please choose our Durgasoft only. Why? Because if you attend offline or online, if you attend demo classes, you will get full clarity about our Durgasoft speciality and Durgasoft trainer speciality. So just see once demo classes, you will get full clarity. In our Durgasoft, actually offline training running, online also available. So full stack Java is there, full stack Python, full stack UI, full stack data science, full stack .NET, and Power BI, DevOps, some useful and trending courses, latest trending courses, all are available in our Durgasoft. So if you want choose offline online, please go through our demo classes, you will get full clarity about our institute. So finally, please subscribe our Telegram channel also. Some useful information you will get regularly. So thank you to all. Wish you all the best for your bright career from our Durgasoft and Durgasoft team. Thank you to all.